Hello and welcome to Dubai Trains, and today we're going to paint some wooden ties. Now we all saw that video from Boomer Diorama where he paints polystyrene ties from white all the way to a realistic looking wood. So I was thinking, can I use that same method for these wooden ties? Now the project I have at hand is this road crossing where the road crosses several tracks, and I want to model that with railroad ties or just basically wooden planks that they put in between the rails. So here are the ties, in this case northeastern scale lumber, and the short answer is yes, you can use the same method. I didn't have exactly the same colors as Boomer Dioramas, so I used these colors, and the method is really easy. You just make a wash for each color and you wash the ties one by one and you let them dry thoroughly in between the different washes. I use this black only in conjunction with these other colors just to make them a bit darker towards the end. And I did a lot of washes. These are 7 colors, but I think I did at least 10 washes because especially the darker ones, I did them again. So maybe that's a little tip that make the washes a little bit stronger. Here's that paper. Here's a proof that I did it. We'll look at all those colors. Now, if you're still watching, please hit the like button so I know that you like this video. But yeah, I mean, here you see the result. Let's just get straight to it. And it's just absolutely amazing. Some of the ties are red, some are darker. The wood grain is in most of them, and there's so much richness and texture to them. Now, I'm not using old ties, I'm not modeling that, so I did not add the rust from the tie plates on there. So for my project, I'm ready to go. So can you use the methods for polystyrene ties on wooden ties? In this case, yes you can. Thank you, that's just a short one for today. Bye bye.